Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So at first open my keyboard. So look here, my keyboard interface. I'm just change my theme. So I'm provide full guide. Open your settings, scroll down, click onto general management. Then you get Samsung keyboard settings. Tap on it, scroll down, then I'm get theme option. I'm easily change my keyboard theme. Okay, alright, now change my theme. Or if you want to add to your keyboard your own image, so simply at first open your Play Store. Open your Play Store, go to search option, search set to Gboard. Make sure to install your Gboard. I'm already installed my Gboard. So go back, open settings again, scroll down, general management, press on keyboard and default keyboard, tap on and just select my Gboard. So look here, my Gboard, and just select it and make sure to turn on my Gboard. Okay, now setup, go back and open my keyboard. Okay, open my keyboard, press on setting option. Then I'm get theme, easily then showing here more suggested theme. Need to just download or color. So look here, change color, just press on to apply. Or if you want to add your own image, press on to select image. I need to just customize, so I'm just select my own image. Okay, press on next, adjust brightness, press on done, press on apply, and finally I'm get new theme. So that's it.